Hi everyone, I've got some exciting news. My new Udemy course is live. It is called Mastering the Agent-to-Agent Protocol, or A2A for short. So if you want to learn how to build production-grade AI systems, then this course is for you. A quick few words about me and why I think I'm qualified to teach you that. So I've been working as an engineer and data scientist for over 10 years, and I'm not just another instructor who read the docs. So I actually pitched A2A inside my company, and I've built production grade systems with it. So this is not just theory, I know what I do in practice. And I guess this is what my students also love about my courses, since they are consistently highly rated, about 4.5 stars in general. But why do you even want to use A2A? So we've got powerful agents everywhere, built with LangGraph, Haystack, LangChain, or whatever framework, but they can't talk to each other because there is no common language. And that is exactly what A2A fixes. So in this course, we start right at the basics. Why agents even need a shared protocol, how A2A is different from MCP, and from there we build up step by step. Everything is hands-on. You build your first A2A server with a simple request and response model. Then we go further into task and task lifecycles, send structured data and files. We use polling for long-running jobs, and after that we go into the advanced stuff like streaming push notifications, multi-turn conversations, listing and canceling tasks, and a full security workflow with Auth0. At the end, we even build our own A2A orchestrator with different agents. If you ever get stuck, I'm there for you, and I answer questions in the Q&A, so I really want you to make it all the way through. If you're interested in this topic, then there is a promo code down in the description, so go grab it. I really appreciate your support, and on top of that, you are learning something very valuable. Alright, so go check it out, start building some agents, and I'll see you in the course.